Well, here we are today. We have a broken door knob. So I went down to our local store and I got a brand new doorknob. I'm going to show you how to put a doorknob in. Now, you might be saying that's easy, but there's a lot of people that want to be DIYers, but they've just never done it. You're going to see how easy it is to replace a doorknob. This was about $20. No, it was 12 bucks. It was $12. Very easy fix. It's probably going to take less than 5 or 6 minutes. So let's get with it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna remove is this latch mechanism right here. We're just gonna take this out. The doorknob literally imploded. So I don't even know where the other piece is. So we're just gonna replace the whole thing. And then this just comes right out, just like that. So the next thing we're going to do is we've got this piece out of the box. You want the angled end right here to go towards the door jamb, and we're going to screw these in, and that'll just take a second. Okay, everything's snugged up. Then we're going to take the new door knob here. Now, this piece is for the outside. In case someone gets locked in, you could just take a penny or a quarter and unlock it. But you're going to see here that this will only go in one way, right in the middle. And then these two posts right here will go through those outside holes. Doing this with one hand is not fun. There we go. Okay, so that's pushed in. And again, we're gonna, okay. Then we're just gonna take these long screws and run them through. You'll feel them bite. Make sure we've got them lined up. Sometimes that takes a second, but and that took less than 5 minutes to do. $12 in 5 minutes, you have a brand new doorknob. I've been making these videos on this channel to help out people that maybe don't have the confidence to do it themselves. You can see how all of this is easy if you just take your time. And it's really not that hard. So hope this helped you. Hope you have a great day. God bless you. And we'll see you next time on Fix It Warrior.